Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard. Name of content, trigonometric ratios. At first we will revise these all formulae. Sin theta is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Cot theta equals to adjacent side upon opposite side. Sec theta equals to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Then sin theta and cosec thetas are inverses of each other. So 1 upon sin theta equals to cosec theta. 1 upon cosec theta equals to sin theta. Sin theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Similarly, cos theta and sec theta are inverses of each other. 1 upon cos theta equals to sec theta. 1 upon sec theta equals to cos theta. Cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. Tan theta and cot thetas are inverses of each other. Then 1 upon tan theta is a cot theta. 1 upon cot theta equals to tan theta. Tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. Then sin theta upon cos theta equals to tan theta. Cosec theta upon sec theta equals to cot theta. Cos theta upon sin theta equals to cot theta. Sec theta upon cosec theta equals to tan theta. Okay. Then we will take one example depend on this formula. This formula is from R.D. Sharma, page number 10.23, exercise number 10.1, and the question number 1. If sec theta equals to 13 by 5, then find the value of the other trigonometric ratios. What we know here? Sec theta. Sec theta means hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Here, take one right angled triangle, because these trigonometric ratios are related to the right angled triangle. Suppose the name of this triangle is triangle ABC. What we know in the triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, one acute angle is a theta. Let A is a acute angle, or the C, let here say is a acute angle, and angle B is a 90 degree. Also we know sec theta equals to 13 by 5. Then write the given. Here in the given, in triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree, angle C is a theta, sec theta equals to 13 by 5. Then find other trigonometric ratios. Here we know, what we know? Sec theta equals to 13 upon 5. Reason given. But by the figure, sec theta, what is sec theta? Hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? AC. Upon adjacent side, that is BC. Here left side of first one is sec theta, left side of second one is a sec theta, then sec theta same. So the conclusion from 1 and 2, AC by BC is equals to 13 upon 5, means the ratio of AC and BC equals to 13 by 5. Then take common multiple of this ratio. AC equals to 13x and BC equals to 5x. Put AC equals to 13x in the figure, and BC equals to 5x. Then in the triangle ABC, we know the hypotenuse and also base. Then with the Pythagoras theorem, find AB. In triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree. Then using by Pythagoras, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB square for, AC square for 13x square. At the place of this one, taking 13x square equals to AB square we want to find, and BC square is a 5x whole square. 13 square 169, x square for x square, that's equals to AB square plus 5 square 25x square x square. Here positive 25x square transpose 169 x square minus 25x square, that's equals to AB square. Then 144 x square equals to AB square. So the AB square equals to 144 x square. So the AB is equals to, taking square root of both side, 12x. Then put this 12x in the figure. AB is equals to 12x. Here we know sec theta. Other than sec theta, find all the values. First one, find sin theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Opposite side, theta's opposite side is AB upon hypotenuse AC, that is equals to 12x upon 13x. Here xx get cancelled, that is equals to 12 upon 13, means sin x equals to 12 upon 13. Then cos theta. Cos theta, we know that cos theta is an inverse of sec theta. Sec theta is a 13 by 5, so the cos theta is a 5 upon 13. Write down the formula here, or the reason here. Cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. Then find the tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is a AB and adjacent side is a BC, means AB by BC. AB is equals to 12x and BC is equals to 5x. Here xx get cancelled, that is equals to 12 upon 5. This one is a tan theta, and inverse of tan theta is a cot theta. Cot theta is equals to inverse of 12 by 5 is a 5 by 12. Why? Because we know that cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Then find the cosec theta. Cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. Sin theta is 12 by 13 and the inverse of 12 by 13 is a 13 by 12. Then cosec theta equals to 13 by 12. Here reason is a cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta. Okay, thank you friends.